Big up to my sound system family. I am Jimmy Sequence. I am here to make a video because I promised to make a video to review the CVR 4302 in depth. Initially I did a quick review when I first hooked it up, but at the time I did it in the garage with just two W18s on one side. I wasn't able to give you my full opinion on it. All I could say then was that it sounded good, but you know, I couldn't honestly say it's wicked or it's this and it's that because I haven't tested it. I hadn't tested it at that time in the field. Alright, so we had a dance Friday night with Sequence Black Scorpio from Jamaica. I used 4 W18s on one of the amplifiers, so that's 2 W18s per side. That would be 2 ohms per side. And by the way, I'm in South Florida. You can see it's raining. This is how it happens. I'm in the middle of my work day. Well, I actually had one more student to do and I'm getting rained out, so yeah. Anyway, I did the 2 W18s on the amp, and I could honestly say I'm impressed. The amplifier is amazing. It's actually surpassed my expectations, to be honest, because at the level that I was able to play this amplifier, at 2 ohms, with no clipping at all. It stayed completely green the whole time at a level that it was unexpected to me. I didn't expect the amp to play that hard without ever going into any kind of clipping. It just stayed green and solid, and it was idling. It was just trackling, to be honest. It never felt like it was working hard. But you know, same amp, same speakers, different amp. The 3302s are great amps, but they don't have the power, because keep in mind that the 4302 is 12,400 watts per channel at 2 ohms. So it's a lot more power than the 3302. That's what I was using before. Yeah, I love the amp. I can't really say anything else. I've had a couple of people call me that wanted me to make a video to kind of tell them what I think about the amplifier after I've used it. But this is that video. Big up to Bass Pusher from Atlanta. He already got his 4302. So respect, my friend. But yeah, this amplifier is impressive. I am completely happy with my purchase. I bought 2 of them and I'm happy that I did. I'm actually gonna need one more because I have 12 W18s. So each one will play 4 W18s. See? Now, I have not compared it to, I haven't done a comparison test to the Admark 8060. I have a lot of friends that have the 8060. Some of them love it, some of them don't. I've had a couple of people say they don't like them because they keep burning their speakers with them. So I'm not sure what that's about, and I've been warned about the 8060s. I don't have one, never had an Admark, wasn't planning on buying one, and you know, so that's that. But I have not heard a comparison test. But again, keep in mind that the CVR 4302 have 1400 watts more per channel. The 8060 is I think 1100 watts per channel at 2 ohms, and the 4302 is 12,400 watts per channel at 2 ohms. So it's more power. And my opinion again is that the 8060 is powerful, but it's more rugged than the CVR. The CVR is a smoother, you know, I like the sound better from the CVR. It's smoother, it's just a smoother amp. I like it. I like the CVR sound better personally than the Admark. So again, I want you guys to chime in, because I always ask people to chime in. Let me know if you have compared them, if you have listened to both of them, and which ones you think. What do you think? Compare the CVR 4302 to the Admark 8060. I'm going to find someone that have one and do a side-by-side comparison. But yeah, I feel like the CVR is warmer, smoother, and more powerful. So yeah, in my opinion, the CVR is a better buy. Again, that's my opinion. You don't have to like it, but That is what I think. So yeah. Again, I don't have any affiliations at all with CVR. I don't get paid from CVR. I don't get any free things from CVR. So this is me reviewing the amplifier that I paid my money for, and I like it. I love it actually, because it performed extremely well in the field. You know, it played ridiculously hard all night with no kind of effort. It was just an easy play. So yeah, that's my opinion. The CVR 4302. Goodbye. I personally would recommend it. Alright, so yeah, share the channel to your brethren. Tell your brethren about it. Sequence Sound is the name of the channel. Well, if you're on it, I'm supposed you know. But tell your brethren to check out the channel. Help me to build it. Subscribe to the channel. Right? And thank you guys for watching. Big up to all the people them supporting the channel. I have people supporting the channel from all over the world. Big respect to my African friends, my Guyanese friends. All the people that has reached out. New York, you know, Connecticut, Philly, Atlanta. Big respect. See? Keep watching the channel, keep supporting, and I'll keep making the best content that I can make. Alright? Thank you, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the day and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates.